This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the card type and capacity so the device accepts it. This prevents incompatibility and data loss. Next, gently inspect contacts and use a small alcohol swab if dirty, because corrosion or grime causes read errors. Once done, power the device off to protect the file system, then insert the card straight into the slot until it clicks. If using an adapter, align it properly. These first steps establish a reliable physical connection and reduce later errors. Once the card is seated, you should format it to match the device. This organizes the file system for optimal performance and longevity. If the device offers an internal format option, use that first because it sets vendor-specific allocation settings. Otherwise, connect to a computer and pick XFAT for cards larger than 32 GB or FAT32 for smaller ones, selecting appropriate cluster size. After formatting, make sure to set the card as default storage if required and avoid enabling write protection unless you need it. You now transfer files and manage storage. Copy a small test file first to confirm speed and reliability, because large transfers may hide intermittent faults. While moving data, watch transfer progress and stop if errors appear, then safely eject using the operating system or device menu to avoid corrupting the file system. If the card becomes unreadable, try another adapter or reader, test on a different device, and if necessary, reformat after backing up. One key troubleshooting tip: check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.